Welcome back, citizens, for Pack 11, issues 51 to 56 of Build the iconic 1966 Batmobile from Fanhome. In this pack, we get lights and sound working. For issue 51, we get the rear floor pan. Fit the floor pan and secure it in place with 7 cm screws. Retrieve the 2 resonators from issue 43 and fit them into the exhaust pipes under the floor pan, securing in place with 2 AP screws each. For stage 52, we get the left and right wheel wells. Take the left well and place it over the left wheel, securing with 3 cm screws. And do the exact same for the right well. For stage 53, we get the battery box and power switch. First, fit the power switch in place with 2 cm screws, taking note that the off position of the switch should be closest to the edge. Now fit the battery box and secure it with 4 CP screws. For stage 54, we get the speaker and battery box cover. First of all, place the speaker into the round slot on the floor pan. Then, cover it with the speaker bracket and secure it with 2 cm screws. The battery box cover I'll put aside for now. For stage 55, we get the circuit board and various cables. Begin by placing the board onto the floor pan, securing with 4 CP screws. Take the beacon cable and place it in slot L on the board. The cables and board are lettered. The power switch goes into slot A, the battery box into slot B, and the speaker into slot C. For stage 56, we get the remote control. Start by pushing the buttons through the front of the remote top. Then place the remote circuit board on top of the buttons and snap the bottom cover over it. Take a CR2032 battery and place it into the remote. And 3 AAA batteries into the battery box. Engine startup. Horn. Lights. Beacon light, though I think that's supposed to revolve flash, not blink on and off. I'll look into that. And the indicators. There are more buttons on the remote, but that's it for now. And as per usual, we get a museum quality car, pound shop crappy remote. And that's pack 11 done. I am going to see if I can get another flashing LED for the beacon light. I'm sure it's supposed to flash like a police car or fire truck, it doesn't just blink on and off. But for now, hope you enjoyed this update to the car. It's over halfway through the build now. So until pack 12, issues 57 to 62.
Same bat time, same bat channel.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below, along with the notification bell. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. Thank you.